Part 4. Create shop drawing log. The shop drawing log is an Excel file which will allow the document controller to enter all the shop drawings and keep monitoring the process of shop drawing from submittal, approval, and how many days it is pending with the consultant and so on. The shop drawing log is mainly prepared by the planning engineer, then with the coordination of the technical office department, you giving them a summary shop drawing log, then they start doing some details on this one and further breakdown. They divided each drawing into some parts and so on. So let's go and see how to create this shop drawing log and what is the benefit of Primavera dates, how it can help us in this process. This is our sample shop drawing submittal log. We have here some columns. This is serial number, this is activity ID, this is submittal sequence number. When you submitting anything to the client or to the consultant, there is some reference number or sequential number. This one you should put here for monitoring. This revision, which tells you this document, the revision of the document, the trade here, architectural, mechanical, electrical, this is for filtering purpose. Then the description of the shop drawing. Then we have here the planned submission, the submission date and the actual submission date. When it is returned back from the consultant, the date of return, and what is the action code. There is some action codes. A, it is approved without comment. B code, it's approved with comment. C, it is revised and resubmit, and D is rejected. And this one, this is status, we shall put here open or closed, and if you have any remarks here. So let's go to our Primavera file. This is the shop drawing section in our Primavera. So in shop drawing submittal, I'm going to select it and copy, then make a new sheet in the Excel, new workbook, and I have here the list of the shop drawing. I don't need the total float, so just I'll delete it, and I'll go here. I have, this is, let's do the heading. This is architectural shop drawing. After architectural shop drawing, we have earthwork. Let's see what is our breakdown. We have earthwork, concrete work, and finishes work, MEP work. Let's call it shop drawing, then earth works, after the earthworks we have concrete works, just doing this sample, and I want to do a complete sample in order to tell you how to do it. Then we have here finishes work, we have here only few activities, so I can cut, insert cut cells here. Finishes work, little activity as well, I can cut, insert cut cells here. Okay, so I'm going to copy for the earthwork. This is the activity ID, copy, paste 1, 2, 3, Here revision 0, trade is civil, description excavation shop drawing, the plan submittal date, okay, is equal to, here we'll take the finish date. The finish date means it is ready for submission, so we'll take the finish date of this one, then we'll keep everything else empty because nothing we can add now. For the concrete work, so this is a 0.1.1. This is how to number this one. This is a.2, let's say, and then a.2.1. The activity ID for the concrete work, we can make it equal to this one, starting from the footing. Then we can control find here, replace, make 2 spaces and replace all, in order to remove all the spaces. So here, this revision 0, this is concrete work, and this equal to this, and the plan date you can get it from the finish date. This should be from the finish date. Then we can drag this one up to here. Right click, double click to make it all 0. And this is the concrete work. We have the dates already here for the concrete work. We want to change the format to show the year as well. So from format cells, a change date here and show the year. Finishes work, we'll do the same. Here it is. Okay, this is revision 0, this is finishes work, and this is the activity name, and this is the finish date. Okay, and this is a sample of what we can do for the shop drawing submittal log. Usually we are sending this shop drawing submittal log to our technical office in order for them to add more details here. The excavation shop drawing could be 2 or 3 drawings. So we have here the latest date they should submit the shop drawing. They can add part 1, part 2, part 3 and so on. And we give them as well the activity ID. So they should refer to this activity ID for all the breakdown they will do. Okay, now let's say that I submitted this drawing on 15 July and the return date is 25 July. The action code could be B, it means approved. The status is closed. Now here I have the color coding. When it was white, it means no action. Now it is closed, so I should fill it with gray color. This means closed in that case. Okay, if we assume that I send it to the consultant on 15 July and today is end of July, let's say today end of July, and I didn't receive any response. In that case I will mark it as red. This is delayed. If the data date is 17 July, and still within the period of the review from the consultant. So this means on progress. This is just a color coding. I prefer to use it so easily you can monitor what is the status of each drawing and each one of them. Okay, now I want you to complete this Excel sheet as well, and after completing the Primavera shop drawings in the Primavera, please complete it as well in the Excel and send it to me to my email. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.